Poor leg circulation is one of those problems that sneaks up quietly. At first, it's just a little heaviness in your calves, maybe your feet feel cold at night, or you start seeing slight swelling after a long day. But over time, bad circulation can affect your energy, your mobility, and even your heart health. The good news? Nature has given us simple tools, nutrients your body already understands, that can dramatically improve blood flow. And today, we're talking about the only 3 vitamins you truly need to support stronger, healthier leg circulation, especially as you get older. Before we get into them, ask yourself, when was the last time your legs felt light, warm, and energized? For many people, it's been years. Poor circulation usually means your blood vessels aren't relaxing the way they should, your arteries aren't elastic enough, and your blood isn't flowing smoothly down to your toes and back up to your heart. These 3 vitamins fix all 3 problems, naturally. Let's start with the first one, a vitamin most people don't get enough of, but it's absolutely essential for blood flow. Vitamin D. Think of vitamin D as the controller for your vascular system. When you don't have enough vitamin D, your arteries stiffen, inflammation increases, and your body struggles to move blood efficiently. Low vitamin D has been directly linked to leg pain, cold feet, slow wound healing, and even swollen ankles. Most people over 50 are deficient because the skin becomes less efficient at producing it from sunlight. But when you restore vitamin D levels, the effects can be dramatic. Your arteries relax, your blood pressure improves, and your legs feel warmer because the blood is finally flowing. Many people notice reduced cramps, less nighttime tingling, and more strength when walking. A simple daily dose, usually around 2000 to 1500 IU depending on your labs, can be enough to change everything. And remember, your body absorbs vitamin D even better when taken with healthy fats like olive oil, eggs, or avocado. Now, the second vitamin is one that directly targets the health of your blood vessels. Vitamin C. Most people think vitamin C is only for immunity, but the truth is, your circulation depends on it. Your veins and arteries are made of collagen. Collagen is like the flexible scaffolding that keeps your blood vessels strong, smooth, and elastic. Without enough vitamin C, your veins weaken, blood flow slows, and you may even develop spider veins or varicose veins sooner. Vitamin C also helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major causes of poor circulation and leg pain. But here is the part most people don't know. Vitamin C boosts nitric oxide levels, which means it helps your arteries open up and allows more blood to flow through. When your nitric oxide levels rise, you feel the difference immediately. Your legs feel warmer. Your muscles feel looser. Your walking endurance improves. Adding just 500 to 1000 milligrams of vitamin C per day through diet or supplements can make a noticeable difference within weeks. Foods like oranges, kiwi, broccoli, strawberries, and bell peppers are excellent natural sources. The third vitamin is the powerhouse that ties everything together. Without this one, good circulation is almost impossible. It's vitamin E. If vitamin D relaxes your arteries and vitamin C strengthens them, vitamin E keeps your blood moving smoothly. Vitamin E is nature's most powerful antioxidant for your bloodstream. It prevents your blood from becoming too thick, stops plaque from forming inside your arteries, and reduces the stickiness of your platelets. This means your blood flows easier, smoother, and more efficiently, exactly what you need if your legs often feel heavy or tired. People who take vitamin E regularly often report less swelling, fewer leg cramps, warmer feet, and noticeably better stamina when climbing stairs or walking. Vitamin E also improves the flexibility of your red blood cells, allowing them to slip through tiny capillaries in your legs and feet. The recommended range is usually between 100 and 200 IU daily, but it's important to choose natural vitamin E, labeled as D-alpha-tocopherol, because it works better in the body than synthetic forms. When you combine these 3 vitamins, D, C, and E, you create a powerful circulation-boosting trifecta. Vitamin D relaxes your arteries. Vitamin C strengthens their structure. Vitamin E keeps your blood moving smoothly. Together, They improve your overall blood flow from your hips to your toes. Many doctors agree that these 3 vitamins can support healthier blood pressure, reduce leg swelling, improve nerve function, and even help prevent long-term diseases related to poor circulation. But vitamins alone aren't enough. To get the maximum benefit, you should support your body with a few simple habits that naturally enhance the effects. Drinking more water helps your blood stay fluid. Regular movement, especially ankle rotations, calf raises, and short walks, ensures the blood doesn't stagnate. Reducing processed foods and excess salt helps keep your veins from swelling. And adding foods like leafy greens, olive oil, nuts, seeds, citrus fruits, and fish can turn these vitamins into circulation-building fuel. Imagine waking up in the morning and feeling that your legs are light, warm, and energized. Imagine climbing stairs without stopping, taking longer walks without pain, or sleeping at night without burning or tingling sensations in your feet. These are the kinds of changes many people experience when they begin focusing on the right circulation-supporting vitamins. It's not about taking dozens of supplements or trying complicated routines. It's about giving your body the exact nutrients it already knows how to use, just in the right amounts. If you're someone who spends long hours sitting, has diabetes, high blood pressure, or simply feels that your legs get tired too quickly, these vitamins may help more than you realize. Your blood vessels can heal. Your circulation can improve. Your legs can get stronger. And your energy can return. The body has a remarkable ability to repair itself when you give it the right support. So remember, for better leg circulation, you don't need 20 different pills. You only need 3 powerful vitamins that work together to improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, strengthen your arteries, and keep your blood moving smoothly. Vitamin D, vitamin C, and vitamin E, simple, natural, and highly effective. Start with these 3, give your body a few weeks, and you may be surprised by how much better your legs feel. And if you found this information helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs healthier circulation today. Your legs carry you through life, take care of them, and they'll take care of you.